Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I would wish also the chairman to look at. There were two things the president said. One, there was compensation, Mr. Speaker, that monies will be put in the phones of these people as they move. For me, Mr. Speaker, what is very sad, it is how inhuman they are doing the demolitions. That you cannot just come and see a Shosho screaming the way she was screaming yesterday without even giving her notice, without even saying they are coming to demolish. Nobody is removing their stuff. I think that is where the issue is. And as you demolish the other side, I will repeat, in Lavington, in Kileleshwa, we have people who have built on that riparian land. I want to see whether we are coming to demolish also those who are on those riparian lands on Runda, Kileleshwa, the whole of Kileleshwa River, Mr. Speaker. People have taken that riparian land and they have built skyscrapers. They need to come there also, so that we know it is fairness and it is for everyone to be removed from that riparian land. So, Mr. Speaker, for me, I want the chairman to bring us all those who are being compensated and how much they were promised to be given.
On the same issue, it's unrelated. So hold your horses. Pardon? Go ahead.
I would also, on the side of compensation, I would also want, Chair, apart from compensation, what is all the government, through the same ministry, doing so that we avoid further future menace of the same happening? Can we employ ways like river tunneling? We know all these riparian lands are buffer zones for water, but what are the solutions that we need to put in place right now so that we prevent this menace happening in future? Thank you, Chair.
Honorable Nyamoko, you've had this request. Can you bring a response?